listen, your hair needs nutrients, your hair needs the care so that it can be healthy. And when you're healthy, then you will grow hair and you retain length. Hey ladies, welcome to another video. My name is Emilia and this is my channel Ames Diary, where I talk about healthy hair care concerning your relaxed hair. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips how to start off a healthy hair journey. So if you decided that you want to take better care of your hair and you want more information how to start a hair journey, then stick around. Okay, so let's get into it. So I believe when you start your healthy hair journey, it is really important to do these 3 tips that I'm about to share with you. Like, I know your hair is breaking, it's dry, like it's not going further than shoulder length. So you have seen enough videos, you are following enough relaxed ladies, and you are diving right into it. But most of the times when somebody starts a healthy hair journey, she skips some important steps. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, know your current hair state. I know, I already hear you saying, Emilia, but I know what my current hair state is already. It is dry, it is breaking, it's not growing. But I'm telling you, really sit down and understand what your hair situation is at the moment. Why? Well, for example, when I started my hair journey, I had a lot of problems. My hair was breaking, I had bald spots, from bleaching and relaxing too much in a short period of time, let me say that. My hair was dry, my hair was stiff, well, all the hair problems that you can think about. So me understanding and really knowing what my current hair state was helped me to get to tip number 2, setting hair goals. Setting hair goals is major key. And ladies, let's bring it back, because I know you all want long, luscious, thick, beautiful hair, but we need to bring it back, especially when you're first starting your hair journey. You know what your current hair state is, so your hair goals is going to reflect on that. So for example, if you have a lot of breakage, a hair goal will be, I want less breakage. If your hair is dry all the time, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized or your hair is more shinier. So really make your hair goals short and simple, and make sure that it is aligned with your hair problem, so that during your hair journey you can always track and see how your hair is going, how your hair is improving. So at the end of the day, you will get to the hair length that you want, but first we need to focus on those hair goals, that is aka fixing your hair problems, so that your hair can be healthy, luscious and beautiful. So now that we have our hair goals in place, now we are ready to go to tip number 3, and that is set a hair routine for yourself. Okay, ladies, everybody has their own hair routine. Of course, you can get inspired by me or by somebody else that you are following on YouTube, on Instagram, or on Facebook, but please make sure that your hair routine fits your lifestyle. So for example, I have a full-time job. I'm a blogger, so working full-time and being busy with my blog, it takes a lot of time. So I try to keep my hair routine easy and simple. So as for you, what is your hair routine going to be? And really sit down and think about it, because most of the times when ladies ask for advice, I have dry hair and my hair is breaking, and when I ask them, what is your hair routine? They be like, I don't have a hair routine. And that is a mistake. I'm telling you, like, a hair routine is needed if you want to achieve healthy hair. Why? Because you are consistent when you're taking care of your hair. You're giving your hair the nutrients, the love, the care that it needs. And yeah, like, taking care of your hair is really a task on its own. But like I mentioned before, when you get to know your hair and know what it needs, you really will enjoy taking care of your hair, and your hair will thank you for it. So set up a routine for yourself. So a daily routine, a weekly routine, and a monthly routine. And like I said, make a routine that fits your lifestyle. In my next video, I will share more about my routine and how I plan my hair goals for 2021. So if you're interested and you want a little bit more information about how to create a routine, so make sure that you click the subscribe button so that you won't miss the next video where we're going to talk about my hair goals for 2021 and my hair routine. So let's bring it back. The 3 tips for starting off your healthy hair journey is: 1. Know your current hair state. 2. Set some hair goals. And 3. Create a hair routine and be consistent with it. Like, really be consistent with it, because consistency is key. Like washing your hair every other month or deep conditioning every other month. Listen, your hair needs nutrients, your hair needs the care so that it can be healthy. And when you're healthy, then you will grow hair and you retain length. So yeah, this was my 3 tips for starting off your healthy hair journey. So if you go to my channel www.embark.com, I have a blog post where I talk more about the 3 tips, but I also have a freebie for you where you can download a PDF sheet where you can write down your hair goals for 2021, but also write down your hair routine. Ladies, thank you for watching, and if you watched my video to the end, then give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, my name there is EEMSDIARY, and go check my blog for more information about and taking better care of your relaxed hair. So ladies, be good, take care of your hair, and I will see you the next time. Bye.